Hey, what's up guys? This is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. So check out my Japanese blueberry tree out here in the backyard. I was gone away from home for about a good 7 days. Make sure when you're gone away on a little vacation that your trees are getting watered. If not, you'll come back and they'll be fried. But thank God mine was getting watered. But as I looked out the window, guess what I saw? See the redding of those leaves and yellowing? That is a sign of heat stress. It's asking for more water. It's saying, please water me. So let's go check it out. So as you can see, these leaves here are getting wilted. They're turning yellow. Also, you'll see the leaves here turning red. That means that it's not getting enough water. So guess what I found? Down here, there's a bunch of leaves restricting the waterway. Look at all these leaves. See all that? All those leaves were restricting the water from hitting the rooting system. And also look what else I found. This tinfoil here. So thank God my tree was getting water, but you can't have all these leaves out here in the hot heat, of course. So I'm gonna take all these leaves away. I'm gonna vacuum them up with the wet vacuum. And then what I'm gonna do is get some organic mulch and create like a mound around the tree. So I'll show you what that looks like. But yeah, all these leaves have to go. It's over 110 degrees on top of that. It's a fire hazard as well. So we're getting rid of all these leaves. So the water can hit the rooting system. Alright guys, I'll show you a snapshot of what's next. So here we go guys, we got some grow mulch, and what we're going to do is create a mound around this Japanese blueberry tree to create moisture. So we got the mulch here, the 2-in-1 planting mix and mulch. So you want to use the organic brand. I got this at Home Depot. So there's a lot of mulches out there. This is the one I like. So I raked up all these leaves as much as possible. So the secret to getting leaves and filth out of your backyard is this rigid wet vacuum. So I'm gonna use it to get all these leaves in between the rocks here. There's no other thing that can do this. I asked many of my friends, you know, do you have a wet vacuum? They're like, no. I'm like, man, how do you clean your home? You need this. This is the ultimate secret for a clean business and a clean home. You can blow dirt off furniture. You can pretty much vacuum anything. When you purchase this, they only come with a paper filter. My advice to you is to get a foam filter. I'll put a link in the description. And also, if you keep on watching, I'll help you make a better filter to where it lasts longer, so you don't have to repurchase filters. So keep on watching guys. So guys, I was able to get rid of all those leaves with my wet vacuum, clean up that rock area here. So I finally laid down the mulch. So when you're gardening, you should get some knee pads or something soft. If you don't have anything like that, you can use some sandals and put your knees on the sandals. But I got the mulch here, and I created like a mound that goes all the way around the tree. So when the water comes out of this dripper here, everything kind of like goes down directly to the rooting system. And then also this mulch and soil gives also the tree some nutrients. So I'm going to show you how to water a big tree like this. So I didn't make this up. I watered this tree 6 days a week. Reason being, it's summer, and if you don't water your tree in the hot summer like this 6 times, 5 times a week, your tree's going to die. So I didn't make it up. I'll show you a chart on how I came up with those numbers. So 24 gallons. I'm going to give this each watering because it came in a 24-inch box. If your tree came in a 15-gallon bucket, it'd be 15 gallons. If it's a 5-gallon bucket, you're going to give it 5 gallons per watering. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the dripper, and I'll show you how to operate them and how many drippers I put underneath this big tree. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have 3 drippers underneath this tree, and each one of these, if you go to Home Depot, it's 0 to 14 gallons per dripper. So 0 to 14, what do you mean by that? So you can turn it to where less water comes out, right? And the more you turn it to open, more water comes out. So if you maximize it, that's would be 14 gallons, right? If I turn it half, close it halfway, then that would be 7 gallons per hour. So this tree gets 24 gallons approximately. So if I do 7 times 3, that's 21. So I'll probably open these up a little bit halfway, more than halfway. So here's the max. So I'm just gonna close it just a bit, and right there would be probably a little bit, probably like 8 gallons per hour. So I got 3 of those, so 8 times 3 would be what, almost close to 24. So as you can see, this one down here, it's not open all the way. See, so the littlest things can mess up your watering system. So I'm gonna open this one up. So if you open it all the way by accident, they can come slip open. I'm gonna move it over here. But yeah, you create this mound so all the water goes down to the rooting system. So there you go, guys. So this is how you treat your heat stress tree. And I'm gonna show a posting in the next 3 weeks to a month, and I'll show you that all these leaves start to turn green and create fresh leaves. If you like this channel, I'm going to show you how to do it yourself bug spray and save you guys thousands of dollars on your bills. So guys, this is that watering chart I was telling you guys about. So as you can see here, it's divided into 3 categories. My Japanese blueberry is a tropical variety, right? So as you go down, summer above 100 degrees, go all the way down. You water it 4 to 5 times per week, but look, in real small. Water extra if 110 degrees or more for an extended time. So I water my tree 6 times a week. So you got to figure out if your tree is a desert variety, a moderate water use variety. So you'd probably water it 3 to 4 times per week. If it's a moderate water variety, or a desert variety, would be 2 to 3 times per week. But how much during the summer, right? So look how much water these trees take. So you got a 5 gallon, gets 5 gallons of water during the summer. 15 gallon is 15 gallons of water. My big Japanese blueberry is a 24-inch box, right? It gets 24 gallons of water per day. So if it does not get that water, my tree is going to die. It's going to get that stress, right? It's very important. I spent thousands of dollars on trees and I learned the hard way. So you guys can screen save this chart, maybe to help you out. And there you go, guys. Good luck.